Occupational health and safety standards in computer system services. Occupational health and safety, or OHS, is a practice and a field of study aimed at improving health and safety standards in the workplace. As a practice and a profession, OHS aims at protecting workers from workplace hazards, preventing work-related injuries and illnesses, and ensuring the well-being of all employees within an organization. Here's some example of occupational health and safety standard in computer system services. Working with others, do not work alone, especially when dealing with potentially hazardous situations. 2. Powering down equipments. Always turn off and unplug computers after working on them, preventing electrical shocks. 3. Avoiding liquids. Keep liquids away from work areas to prevent short circuits and damage to equipment. 4. Cleaning the area. Maintain a clean and organized workspace to prevent accidents and ensure proper ventilation. 5. Proper handling of tools. Use tools properly and safely and be aware of potential hazard associated with them. 6. Proper disposal of hazardous materials. Dispose of hazardous materials, including all batteries, electric waste, according to regulations. 7. Emergency procedures. No emergency procedures, including first aid and evacuation plans. Why occupational health and safety standard is important in computer system services.